Good day, everyone. I am Jeanette Sabandal, and this is my FMA 1 Part A. So, for this FMA, this covers the comparison of teaching and learning being done across three important eras: the pre COVID 19 pandemic, during the COVID 19 pandemic, and the post COVID 19 pandemic. Recall the teaching and learning which you experienced in your own institution before the COVID-19 pandemic, during the time of COVID-19 pandemic, and now in the post-COVID-19 pandemic era. Specific guidelines: your FMA submission should contain the following: 1. Description of academic institution that you have considered for your FMA. 2. Describe teachings and learning was done. Describe how teaching and learning was done in the institution during the three eras specified above. How different are they from each other? So, for the institution that I am in, that is the Department of Education, particularly in junior high school department, in which our students are have an age of 12 years old to 16 years old, and I belong in the science department. During the pre-COVID-19 pandemic, the main modality that we are using is face-to-face teaching, in which students and teachers can interact real time and they can collaborate physically inside the four corners of the classroom. However, there are some programs provided by the institution for students with special cases, such as the out of school youth and those students who are over age. So they are encouraged to enroll in the alternative learning system. How and for those students in the right age or in the appropriate age for their grade level, they are but they have health issues or other special cases, they are encouraged to enroll in open high school program. Now, during the COVID-19 pandemic, there is a great shift in the modality because from face to face, we have the pure distance learning. During the peak of pandemic, there are two types of distance learning that was used. One is the modular distance learning, in which the student get or receive the printed or digital copy of their modules, in which they're going to answer it at home, and then that will be retrieved and to be submitted every Friday. And the online distance learning for the radio based instruction, this is a supplement for the modular distance learning. The other modality is the online distance learning. This is offered to students with internet connection and with the devices available at home. However, in school year 2021 to 2022, in which vaccines are already available for students and the teachers, learning was offered. So in blended learning, it is a mix of modular distance learning or face-to-face learning. So, but this is for limited face-to-face. For example, they're going to go in school every Monday and Friday. From Tuesday to Thursday, they will be having their modular distance learning or online distance learning. So, still limited face-to-face. And homeschooling was also offered for those with special cases. But now, after the pandemic, we are now in post COVID-19 pandemic, in which face to face is the main modality that we are using. However, in times of disasters and emergencies, there is the DepEd Order number 22 series of 2024, in which we are encouraged to shift modalities from face to face learning to distance learning through alternative delivery modes. So there are two that are suggested by the department, which is number one, the online learning. If face to face classes were suspended, but online access is available, then online classes may continue. And for those students who cannot afford to have devices at home and they cannot afford internet connection, they will shift to modular learning. In summary, during the pre-pandemic, it is pure face-to-face. Even the seminars that was conducted were all in face-to-face. However, during the pandemic, since it is a total lockdown, we all shifted to distance learning, in which we have two options, the modular distance learning and the online distance learning. But during the post-pandemic, right now, what we are experiencing, or the new normal, we are the mainstream, or the main mode of teaching and learning is face to face. However, distance learning became an option, in which during the suspension of classes due to disasters and calamities by the local government, they may suspend face to face classes and shift to distance learning, since the teachers are already trained and have gained experience during the pandemic. So these are my experiences, and these are the modalities that we have in our institution, and that will be for my FMA 1 part A.